Hey, it's me, Anita, coming to you with a collab, Christmas 365 Days, and it's hosted by Bobby Joe. And I'm going to show you in this collab, at the end of each month, we're supposed to make something for Christmas. Whatever you want to make, you can sew it, craft, whatever you want to do with it. You make something and show what you've done. So I'm going to show you guys what I used this month. These are the supplies I use. Some of them at least. Some of them I think I've put up. So this is Anna Griffin bordered die cuts. They're not all Anna Griffin in there now, but okay. And this paper pack, and I've used this, and once again there's some other stuff I did not show, and I used Anna Griffin holiday card layer die, 3D layer dies, and that's these. And I can't think of who she is. Crafter's Companion. This is Crafter's Companion. And I don't remember who this is. It's just a sticker. Okay. Once again, this is 3D holiday layer card. And I don't know where I got these stickers from. So I'm just trying to use my sticker stash too. Okay, that's all I've made for today. For those who have subscribed to me already, thank you. For those who are thinking about it, go ahead on and push the button. I'd love to see you. Until next time, you guys have a blessed day. Bye-bye.